It's been 4 years since this has happened to me. Alright, y'all, listen, hear me out, bro. So today is a good day, bro. I'm gonna say the least to say the most. Today was box logo day. I know a lot of y'all sleeping like y'all be talking shit about Supreme and shit. Hey, me included, you feel me? But today is one of those days that I had to put my hat on backwards and get pimping, bro. I'm feeling good. So we're gonna go over my Supreme live cop today. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel because we've been going crazy, my brother. So all you gotta do is subscribe and join the family because we got content coming that way, from the top and from the bottom. Like, we about to go hard, bro. I literally filmed like 4 videos yesterday and I'm feeling good. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else y'all would like to see in the comments because I'm filming it all, bro. I'm going hard. But with all that being said, we got the live cop for week 5, if I'm not mistaken. Box logos released today. There was this long sleeve that I was kind of interested in that released today, and we're gonna go over what happened this morning. Did I cook up? Did I take a L? Did you cop? Let me know in the comments if you did. What did you end up going for? If you hit on the Bogo, what color did you buy? But let's not waste any more time and get into this video. Leave a like for good luck and shit, let's get to it. Yeah. So this morning I'm at work, you feel me? I set my alarm for 10:55 normally on Supreme drops, so I could just know that it's coming. I could set up, copy my credit card number, you feel me? Depending on what I gotta do, I do it before the drop type shit. So boom, it's 11 in the morning. I refreshed and it loaded up. I went straight to the box logo. I'm like, yo, I want the black size large, bro. I'm not procrastinating, not waiting, none of that. I took some shit I had in my car out, start filling the captcha with the buses. Easy, bro. Quick maths, you feel me? I put all the shit in, hit the verify button, and at this point I hit submit, and then I'm waiting in the queue. If y'all know Shopify, they normally do something like this right here, which never was the thing with Supreme, but we gotta adjust to what's coming. I start putting my information in, pop, start clicking all the autofills. Now I already have my card copied, so I just pasted that shit, and then I start putting all the expiration, the security, all that, bro. Hit agree. Y'all already know we don't read the conditions. Process payment, and I went smooth through. Smooth through. Let me know if y'all copped this morning. Low-key, I haven't copped a box logo hoodie since I copped my only box logo hoodie, so I'm gassed. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know if this was less hyped, whatever. Are people just not buying Bogos no more? False. Cause honestly, I went right back after I ended up copping to see like, yo, did they sell out? Did I make the right decision by going for the black one? And I'm just gonna say that all the fucking colorways were sold out as soon as I copped. So shout out to me for cooking up today. Let me know if y'all ended up hitting. I'm gassed, bro. Honestly, I could have went either way with this one. The olive colorway was looking beautiful, so was the black. I was honestly debating it till the last minute. Something told me to go for the black, and that's what we did, you feel me? We ended up hitting on the box logo for retail. A lot of people were talking shit about this one, but honestly, this was probably one of my favorite box logos that they've done in a minute because it's better than the cross, my opinion. I feel like it's more creative. The whole reversed shit on it, it's just clean. But that pretty much does it for this quick little video because I got more vids to pump out after this, and I'm not trying to prolong this. If y'all enjoyed this video and made it to the end, please leave a like on this one, subscribe to the channel, and also go to NORI.co, sign up with your email because we're literally 20 email entries away from getting a release date for the brand. If y'all are into that shit, make sure y'all go ahead and sign up. It would mean the world. And hey man, if y'all made it this far, it means you support me, and it means that I love you for making it here. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who constantly end up showing up for me. You feel me? I appreciate y'all, bro. I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Make sure you spend some time with your loved ones. If you haven't called them lately, make sure you do so because you don't know how much longer we have on this earth. And shit, bro, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out this way.